Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to limit FaceTime and messages on Mac. So instead of turning off FaceTime and messages completely, communication limit lets you decide who can allow to communicate with you. During normal screen time, you can choose whether everyone, only your contacts and eligible group conversation are allowed. And during downtime, you can either continue using the same communication rule or make it even more restrictive by allowing only a specific contact. This gives you much better control without disabling the apps entirely. So first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. After that, go to screen time and then in the right side pane, go to communication limits. And under during screen time, choose either contacts only or contacts and group with at least one contact, depending on how much you want to limit communication. And now go to during downtime section. And here, if you want same communication limit to remain active during downtime, select the first option, as the first option will follow the same as you have selected during screen time. As you can see, I have selected contacts only, so it will show contacts only as the first option in during downtime. And as soon as I choose contacts and group with at least one contact in during screen time, it will automatically change the first option in during downtime. So choose the option accordingly, and you even can select a specific contacts and then click on select contacts. Now here choose the contact you want to allow and then click on done. And FaceTime and messages will now follow the communication rule you have selected, allowing your conversation only to the people permitted by screen time and downtime settings. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.